Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I have something very exciting to play with today. I have the Zodiac palette by BH Cosmetics. This is a gorgeous palette that I saw on Ulta. They had their Cyber Monday deals and I saw this palette and I needed to pick it up. It has a mirror, a lot of shimmer shades, a highlighter, and some mattes. So keep watching if you want to see the final look. Okay, I want to swatch a couple of these shimmers for you. Everyone is a sign, so like Sagittarius, Scorpio, Libra, Virgo. I'll swatch, I am an Aquarius, and it's this gold shade, so I'll swatch this one. And I haven't ever touched these, or I've never played with BH Cosmetics before. I'm going to swatch a couple. I'll do Aquarius, Capricorn, and Gemini. This gold, like this green middle color, and this silver color, which they look really promising so far.
Wow, beautiful swatches.
Today I wanted to do a little different eyeshadow look than I normally do. I really want to play with colors, so I'm just going to go right in. And actually I want to do the highlighter first, so I believe this, the middle one, is the highlighter. So I'm just going to take what I usually use for my highlighter brush, which is just this round soft blend brush. I don't have any highlighter on my face. It's really pretty. It's a very light highlight. Obviously it's white in the pan, but I'm kind of digging that because I have really fair skin. Okay, and then I'm going to go in right away with this color all over my eyes. And it doesn't have any names for the matte shades, it just has names for like the outer rim. I'm just going to take that shade all over my eyes. A deeper shade than I would usually go into right away. I usually do like a skin color all over my eyes. Okay. And then I kind of want to go for, well, at first I wanted to go for a more blue look, but there's not a lot of blue mattes in here, so I'm going to kind of do like a purple blue look, maybe like a galaxy kind of look. I'm going to take this hot purple shade and blend it out. It's pretty pigmented so far. And then I'm going to pull it in just a tiny bit. I'm going to do the other eye. It is having a little bit of fallout, but I'm not really concerned with that. Okay, and then I'm going to take this darker purple to darken it up. And then I'm just going to blend that. You can see it's not really blending right here. And then I'm going to take this shimmery blue shade right here and put it on my inner part of my eye. Okay, and then I'm just cleaning that off. And then I'm just going to blend the edges. And then I'm going to put some purple underneath my eye. I'm going to do the purple I've been using. And then I'm going to do the blue in the corners. I'm going to take Gemini and put it all over my lid, mostly in the inner part. These colors are amazing. And then I'm going to take this purple color, Cancer, and put it on the ending of the lid. And then I'm going to take my highlighting shade, the white shade in the middle, and I'm going to use that on my inner corner. I'm going to spray some MAC Fix Plus on that. Alrighty, and then I'm going to put some eyeliner on and put some mascara on. Okay guys, I have eyeliner and mascara on. overall, I think this is one of the best palettes I've ever used. I love how my look turned out. The shimmers and metallics on here are just gorgeous. They swatch beautifully, they are on my eyes beautifully, even without anything, and just my shadow brushes, they blended out beautifully. Super pigmented. I think the mattes are awesome. I think everything's awesome. I even like the highlight on my face, so I would run and pick this up if I were you. I think I paid $10. With the sale, it might be $15. I'll link it below. Zodiac palette. I'm definitely going to have to try more BH Cosmetics because this is just beautiful. I love that there's a mirror in here. And this is just a well done palette. I think there's no complaints here. I think this is gorgeous and I can't wait to try more of these looks out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did like it, press that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. Bye!